Welcome back once again to Shutterflow TV. I welcome each and everyone in peace, love, and joy as always. Now, today we want to cover this topic about, the unknown, fear, and what cause these things. Now, why a lot of us is so scared of the unknown is because we're scared of changes. And this happened to all of us. All of us are scared of the unknown or to make changes in our life. For instance, you have some old stuff, right? And no matter how old and ripped up it is, you still have it. You don't want to throw it away. You don't want to get rid of it. That's just a perfect example of what I'm talking about. And in many ways also, but we all know that we have to take a step towards change, because if you don't make change, then you won't have new experience. And if you don't have new experience, then you won't have any growth in life in general. Yes. So fear of change hold us back in life. We have to let go and take the step. Now you're wondering, you would want to do it, but you're scared. And what is causing this? And how can you fix it? Well, it boils right back down to aspect of ourselves. We make aspect of our own self dominate us. Not to say to control us, but to it's like a protector. It want to keep you into a shell where it don't want you to go out into the unknown, and you have to let yourself know, listen, we're gonna work together. Because if you're scared of, something, then we're gonna make the step together. Some call it, ego, some call it different things, but you have to work with yourself. And if you let the fear side of you get stronger, it can be your worst nightmare. It can become your enemy, your own self, right? So you have to be careful of how you keep giving this part of you more of that, because it's not good at all. And you have to take the right step. Sometimes I find myself in situation where I want to go out there to take a step, and it holds me back, in a sense. I say, hey, don't do this, don't do that, because this going to happen and bad stuff and this and that. But I say, hey, listen, man, we're going to roll and we do this together. And once you do it and it sees that everything is fine, it's becoming more trusting. It begins to have trust and faith in you again as the driver. Yes, you understand. So in this reality and this life, we're not just one being, but one being in many aspects. And those aspects that we don't aware of is also having an experience in this reality with us. It's just that we don't pay enough attention to see that, so much things show us so much signals. Sometimes you might get up, you don't feel, you just feel, aware. Is a part of you that you need to attend to. It could be in many ways. Your body sometimes let you know, hey, too much of this, what you're doing to me, you need to fix it. So that's how things is. And one thing I have to say, I have to give Father God thanks, the universe, for the wisdom, the knowledge, and the understanding, so I can observe and pay attention to the experience that I have for my own self. People, my friends, family, loved ones, we are all one. I wish you a blessed and a beautiful day, and peace and joy to each and every one. Thanks for watching. Until then.